Let us solve Dholavira Mohenjo-daro type of MCQs for social science in teacher eligibility test. If you solve this, then your preparation is supposed to be very good. So let us start. Question number 1. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites is uniquely known for having a sophisticated water harvesting and management system with a series of rock-cut water reservoirs? A. Lothal, B. Kalibangan, C. Dholavira, D. Mohenjo-daro. Answer is C. Dholavira. Dholavira is located at Ran of Kutch in Gujarat, is renowned for its extraordinary water management system. Excavations revealed a grand network of large rock cuts, reservoirs, channels, and dams designed to collect and store rainwater, while Mohenjo-daro is famous for great bath and household drainage, and Lothal is known for massive tidal dockyard. Dholavira stands out uniquely for its advanced and large-scale freshwater conservation system. So whatever asked, you can answer here, Lothal or Kalibangan or Mohenjo-daro. Question 2 is from Geography and Environment. What is the outermost zone of biosphere reserve where sustainable human settlement, cropping, and forestry are legally permitted in cooperation with local communities? A. Core zone, B. Buffer zone, C. Transition zone, D. Restricted zone. Answer is C. Transition zone. And under UNESCO Man's Biosphere Program, a biosphere reserve is divided into 3 distinct zones. Core zone is a strictly protected innermost area meant for biodiversity conservation where human entry is legally banned. Second is buffer zone surrounds core zone used only for controlled and eco-friendly activities like scientific research and environmental education. Answer is here. Transition zone, that is the outermost zone where local population live and engaged in sustainable economic activities like agriculture, cropping management of forests and fisheries. Third question from civics. The power of judicial review in Indian constitution implies that judiciary has the authority to A. advise the president on legal matters when requested, B. examine the constitutionality of legislative enactments and executive orders, C. impeachment of president or remove judges of lower courts, D. review own judgments periodically to adapt the changing societal norms. Correct answer is B. examine the constitutionality of legislative enactment and executive orders. Judicial review of fundamental